Welcome to the video. This project shows one way to make the circle skirt of the 1950s era, including the popular poodle version. Materials are listed below the video. There are two pattern template pieces, the skirt and waistband. Choose a type of paper to make the pattern pieces. Create a circle with a graphic drawing compass, or use a circle lid in the size you want. I'm using the 6-inch circle. A 4 or 5 inch would also be fine. Next, make a pattern template for the waistband, 3 by 3/4 inches. Cut out the paper pieces. Choose a fabric, press out wrinkles. Pin pattern pieces on fabric, cut. Seal fabric edges from fraying. I use small applications of glue with a toothpick, doing an inch or so at a time. Select Bunka for skirt trim. Use a pin to pull out or unravel about 19 inches for the skirt. Glue Bunka trim around the edges of the skirt. Do an inch or so at a time. Gently press the Bunka to the fabric after applying glue. Let dry. Glue the waistband sides about 1/8 of an inch inward. Then fold the long ends inward toward the center. Glue as shown. Let dry. Flip over to the fabric front. Add glue to the end. Then pull together and press. Mark the center top of the skirt. Glue one edge of the waistband. Place evenly around the center mark. Gently press the waistband edges down on the skirt top. Let dry. Optional steps to cut the center from the waist area. Leave about 1/8 inch edge to fold up and glue to the waistband, as shown. Then glue about 3/4 inch width or so to the fabric piece inside of the waistband. This would be useful if placing the skirt on a doll or mannequin. I'm using flocking, no-hole bits, about 6 inches of pulled out Bunka, and paint to decorate the poodle. To make the poodle piece, use copy paper as shown and cut out. Glue the top of the poodle, add flocking, press, remove excess, let dry. Glue 2 rows of no-hole bits to the poodle neck, about 20 pieces for the collar. Outline with paint, and add a black dot of paint for the eye on the head. While the poodle dries, shape the skirt. Finger press the waistband together with the seam in the center back. Create pleats by folding front and back edges together. Bring sides inward. Adjust for more pleats as desired. Hold to shape, then press with an iron. Now glue the poodle appliqué to the front bottom side of the skirt. Press. Glue on the fabric, pulled out Bunka for the leash, about 6 inches. Begin at the collar, press as going in little steps. Create the first loop, go up and around. Go up a bit, continue toward the waistband to make the second loop. Glue and cut the Bunka at the waistband seam. Ideas for the belt and buckle. Use elastic and silver stickers, or you could use metallic silver paint on cardstock for the 1/4 inch diameter circle, or if you choose a 1/4 by 1/4 inch square buckle shape. Cut the elastic 2 3/4 inch in length from a 1/4 inch width piece. Glue edges. Then sew the edges while glue is moist together side by side so the seam is flat. Paint the interior of the sticker belt black. Let dry. Glue buckle over the seam, and you could add a small bit on the buckle side for the prong piece. Slip the removable belt over top the waistband. You could display the skirt on a doll figure or mini mannequin, or add to a hanger with 2 1-inch Bunka pieces glued evenly over the hanger edges. Let dry. Then glue the loop ends inside of the skirt waistband front to back. You could use other fabric colors and patterns to make more circle skirts, like making a daisy chain skirt with paper punches and paint, or a fiesta skirt with rows of Bunka and a belt. See prior videos to make hangers and clothing rack. I hope you like and share this video, making miniature circle skirts. Thank you so much for watching.